Hello and welcome to Sktv'S. This is Afternoon English News. First, the headlines. Flood situation eases in Manipur with no rainfall in the past few hours. Rivers flowing below warning level while some localities and streets continue to be inundated. And Konsakhul Village Authority expresses discontent on agreement between UNC and Sahilka. Says the village authority was neither consulted nor informed about the agreement. And the details. Water level of Imphal River, Iril River and Manipur River have decreased below danger mark after a halt in rainfall in the past 24 hours. According to the daily flood report of Water Resource Department, the rainfall at the rain gauge stations in Kangpokpi, Saikul, Litan, Raj Bhavan, Lamphel and Jiribam were recorded nil during 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. today. Meanwhile, the water level of Imphal River, Iril River and Manipur River at Minuthong, Irilbong Bridge and Ithai Barrage respectively were running below danger mark. The water level of Nambul River at Thong Nambonbi was also running below flood level. Besides, the water level of Nambol River was flowing a bit higher from flood level at Nambol Bridge. On the other hand, water level of Thobal River at Thobal Bridge was running below warning level. Meanwhile, as part of flood mitigation efforts, authorities concerned have opened 4 shutters of Ithai Barrage after the water level of Manipur River has been reduced below warning level at the dam. Gate number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of Imphal Barrage were also opened while Samusang regulator have been closed completely. It is also said that one gate of Thobal Barrage was also partially opened till 0.20 meters. Arambai Tengol has persistently extended its support to residents of Komba, Wangkhe, Ayangpali, Nomaibung and Swebam Lekai of Imphal East District who have been severely impacted by the recent flooding. Numerous individuals have sought refuge in relief camps while others remain confined to their homes. Members of Arambai Tengol Unit 48 have sustained their rescue operations and continued distribution of essential supplies to affected families even today. Additionally, Arambai Tengol members are facilitating transportation for flood-affected individuals who need to travel to their workplaces. Konsakhul Village Authority has clarified that the village authority was not consulted nor informed at any stage regarding the agreement that was signed between Working Committee of the United Naga Council UNC and Sahilka on June 2, 2025 in connection with unprovoked and allegedly orchestrated attack on the Konsaram village chief, chairman, pastor and innocent villagers on April 5, 2025 by Kuki militants. While expressing discontent on the development without their knowledge, Konsakhul Village Authority maintained that Nagas have placed a trust on UNC on its commitment to justice, truth and protection of Naga community and their dignity. It further asserted that the attack by Kuki militants on villagers of Konsaram village on April 5th has shook the conscience of every right-thinking individuals. While maintaining that the core issue concerning Konsaram or Konsakhul is the matter of land ownership, the village authority further urged Working Committee of UNC to take serious note of the just and resolute stand in the best interest of Naga people and to allow God's wisdom to guide every decision so that truth is not compromised and peace is not built upon silence or exclusion. Amid the flood situation in the state, an incident of fire was reported at a house in Kurai, Komidok last night. Responding swiftly, teams from Manipur Fire Service and Fire Substation Lamlai arrived at the scene and successfully extinguished the flames, thus preventing significant property loss due to fire. The incident reportedly occurred around 8:33 p.m. While major damage was averted, some properties were unfortunately consumed by the fire. A Jawan of Manipur Rifles reportedly shot himself to death using his service gun. The incident occurred yesterday at around 1:50 p.m. inside 4th MR post located at Khonang Phaisabi under Sugnu Police Station in Kakching district. The deceased MR personnel has been identified as Kaprabam Ibomcha, aged 33, son of K. Sanaton of Sero Kaithel. It is believed that Ibomcha shot himself using the incest rifles issued to him. His rifleman number was 0820-10223. Dalit Sahitya Academy Manipur hosted 16th Asian Dalit Sahitya Conference 2025 at Happy Life Green Hotel in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. The event is being held from June 2nd to 8th. During the event, 18 distinguished individuals from Manipur were conferred with various international awards for contribution in their respective fields. During the event, Dr. Saugaizam Bhabao of Meitei Sathop Lanthop Martial Art received International Lifetime Achievement Award 2025. Indo-Vietnam Friendship International Award 2025 was conferred to Haubam Chitra Devi, Dr. Laishram Kamala Devi, Namarakpam Himolata Leima, and Lari Yengbam Samarendra Singh. Meanwhile, Dr. Laishram Landhoni Devi received Lord Buddha International Peace Award 2025. Dr. Lamabam Harit Singh received Asian Young Star Award 2025. Dr. Sharda Mainam received Asian Excellence Award 2025. Yumnam Mausmi received Pride of Vietnam Award 2025. Toijam Umeshwari Devi received Global Achievers Award 2025. Priyanka Winning Shubham received International Young Star Award 2025. On the other hand, R.K. Bhubon, a professor of Manipur University, received Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar International Peace Award 2025. Assistant Professor Wangkem Indira Devi also received Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam International Peace Award 2025 during the event. The award presentation event was attended by Asian Country Coordinator, Thailand, Pisgabon Gonmai, Bharatiya Dalit Sahitya Academy National Secretary Dr. Y. Mahendra Kumar, Professor R.K. Bhubon, along with an individual named Mr. Trunk from Vietnam. The attendees also paid floral tribute to brave persons of Manipur and Vietnam. Several CSOs have mourned the demise of former president of all Assam Manipuri Mairapai B. Apunbalop Ingudam Sanathoi. In a joint press release, Amkil, Nupi Samaj, Tammi Chingmi, Macha Leima, Ichal, NLANL, Nimpal, Thobal Ima, Anul, Ifam, Khwaramban Kaithel Sengwat Sagat Loop, Phoi B Ima Kaithel Women's Vendors Welfare Union, Pauna Kaithel Women's Welfare Organization, UPF, NIPCO, KADA, MAPI Council, AMFA, and the Students' Organization informed that Ingudam Sanathoi, wife of Maurachan Singha, passed away recently at her birthplace Joypur Part 2 in Assam's Kashar district. She was 77. It further stated that Sanathoi fought for equal rights of the Manipuris residing in Assam and also took active role in preserving the cultures besides taking active participation in the movement for inclusion of Manipuri language in 8th schedule. She was also part of a historical march from Silchar to Imphal titled Manipur Levy 2008, The Spirit of Freedom, in commemoration of the legacy of Manipur Levy. While stating that Sanathoi was even honored by Manipur Sahitya Parishad, Assam, for her dedication in social work, the CSOs described the demise of Sanathoi as a great loss for the Manipuris in Assam and Manipur and expressed solidarity to the bereaved family. And it's time for a short break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV.
State asida hojik oiriba ising isaugi phibam asiga mari lenana Imphal East amasung Imphal West Imphal Arvan gi oina miyamna tanker gi khuthangda ising lobiningba amasung tangai phadaba singidamak makhagi pijariba mobile number sing asida contact obirakpa yagani mobile number sing adudi Junior Engineer Masnam Kipjen gi 8125634543 amasung Junior Engineer Waribam Johnson sing mobile number 9612682714 ni. Khangan Jariva, Chief Engineer, PhD, Government of Manipur.
Welcome back, and in further news, members of self-help group in Hairok Part 2 Thokchomlaikai handed over plastic waste to Ashok traders for recycling. The initiative was carried out as part of Go Green and Go Clean campaign of Eco Network Manipur, which aims to create plastic-free environment. Eco Network Manipur has appealed to the people in the state, and including local clubs and Myra Paipi members, to play active part in making Manipur a plastic-free state. And in some COVID-19 news, India reported a surge in COVID-19 cases on Tuesday, with the nationwide tally rising to 4,302 active infections and 7 new deaths recorded. The fresh spike has put health authorities on alert. COVID-19 numbers, particularly in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal, have seen a noticeable uptick. As per Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the active COVID-19 cases have jumped by 276 to 4,302 in the past 24 hours. Of these, 3,281 were discharged. As many as 7 persons infected with COVID-19 have died. While West Bengal has reported 60 fresh cases, Uttar Pradesh and Delhi saw 64 infections respectively in the past 24 hours. Delhi registered 47 fresh cases and Kerala saw 35 new infections during the same period, while Gujarat recorded 64 COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours. Royal Challengers Bengaluru and thousands of its fans finally had the chance to say "E Sala Cup Namdu," which translates to "This year the cup is ours," as Royal Challengers Bengaluru finally clinched its maiden Indian Premier League trophy last night after beating Punjab Kings in the final match that was played at Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. The long wait of 18 years finally ended for the team, and star batsman Virat Kohli, who has been with the team since 2008. Speaking in the post-match chat, Virat Kohli, who was visibly emotional, said he has given prime years to the franchise. The team came so close to winning the title a couple of times. He dedicated the IPL trophy to loyal fans of Bengaluru. Earlier put to bat first, Royal Challenge Bengaluru scored 190 runs in the given 20 overs. Virat Kohli led from the front and scored a brilliant 43 runs to give his team a competitive target. In reply, Punjab Kings started well but could not capitalize on the good start as its key wickets kept falling in crucial stages of the match. Punjab's Sheshank Singh scored an unbeaten 61-run knock, but it was not enough to take his team home, as Punjab Kings could manage 184 runs for the loss of 7 wickets in 20 overs, thus losing the final match by 6 runs. And in some weather report, according to ICAR Regional Centre Imphal part, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 30.2 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 21 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 95% in the morning and 64% in the evening. Meanwhile, IMD has predicted thunderstorm with lightning at isolated places in the state today. And the thunderstorm with lightning is likely tomorrow in all districts of Manipur. However, IMD has predicted decrease in rainfall starting from June 6th till June 8th in the state. And that is all we could pack in this bulletin for now. But before we end, here are the headlines once again. Flood situation eases in Manipur with no rainfall in the past few hours. Rivers flowing below warning level, while some localities and streets continue to be inundated. And Konsakul Village Authority expresses discontent on agreement between UNC and Sahilka, says the village authority was neither consulted nor informed about the agreement. That is all we have for now, but for latest news updates, keep watching SKTV.